Hare Krishna. So, based on popular requests, I'm going to show you what to play for Kirtan when it gets really fast. So towards the end of a Kirtan, there's a certain beat that you often see being played. So here's how it goes. Dhagi, 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 dhagi. So, before we move on, look in the description and get the notes for it, and then try it out yourself, okay? All right, so I hope you tried it out, and if you haven't figured it out already, let's learn it. So you can see the symbols above the mantra. So ta is 4 fingers on the small side, and gi is open on the big side. Now you can hear my drum is really high, so here's just a little tip. When your drum gets really high, you want to keep it out of the sun, and you want to, some of you can put water around the edge here, have it sit it up, put some water around the edge. But generally in winter, drums get high, it's cold outside, so it compresses the leather. I'll release a video on tuning later. But anyway, that's the side. So gi, that's gi, open, ta, 4 fingers open on the small side. So that's pretty much it. Tagi, 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 tagi. Okay? So I suggest practicing that for a few minutes. So here's how it is again. Tagi, 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 tagi. So before you take anything into a kirtan, I suggest practicing it till you know it really well. So you can pretty much have a conversation with someone and still play it. It's like, it's, you know, ingrained. So I suggest now pausing the video again and practicing just this beat for a while, and then we'll try it in the kirtan, okay? All right, so I hope you practiced it, and now we're gonna try it in the kirtan, okay? So here we go. I'll get started, and then I'll start singing. So, dhagi, dhagi. So now I'll sing, and as soon as I say Hari Bol, the H, ha, that's when you play. Nitai Gaura Hari, oh no, actually when you, on the Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, on the B, that's when you start playing. Okay, so Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Actual kirtan, it will probably be even faster than that. So it'll be Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. So again, to put emphasis on practicing. Practice enough so you can play even faster than you would be required to play in for a regular kirtan. Okay, so that's that. And then often, there are times where it won't even break into this, and you can just play your regular double time beat. There's another video on that. Din, da, din, din, da. I'll link that video in the description if you haven't seen it already. But often you can just play that beat and get by with it. But if the singer, you know, signals to you and they want to break into this, then this is the beat to do it. Here's some iterations of it. Instead of doing ta in the beginning, you can do dha, where you play both sides together. D-A, da. You know, D as in dad. Da, gi, da, gi, da, gi, da, gi. Da, gi, da, gi, da, gi, da, gi. Da, gi, da, gi, da, gi, da, gi. also, you can play isolate one line, you know, so you can go da, da, di, da. This you will hear when it gets really fast. You know, when the kirtan gets really fast. You will also hear the second line played over again. Da, di, da, di. So, I didn't mention this in the beginning, but this is known as matan. These are Bengali beats. So you probably hear it a lot in Bengali bhajans and kirtans. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Hare Krishna. Oh, and before I let you guys go, I just have a real quick and exciting announcement to make. We're releasing a beginner's video program for Mridanga. So it's going to be based on the Introduction to Mridanga book. If you haven't purchased that already, again, the link will be in the description. And then we're releasing a video program for that book. And it's coming out very soon. I'll release more information shortly.